The U-shaped door lever handle is hollow and made of stainless steel 304. The satin polished surface is great. One of the characteristic is the thin rosette and escutcheon. The thickness is 3 mm. The other characteristic is the magnetic underbase. Rosette can be attracted by underbase. Install the handle first, letting the spindle go into the handle follower. Screw on to make the magnetic underbase tight on door. Then install the door handle, making the rosette snap on the underbase. The installation of escutcheon is nearly same to rosette. The underbase attracts the escutcheon and the escutcheon is fixed on dots on underbase. It won't fall down from door. When users are tired of the old door handle, or the old handle doesn't work anymore, they can remove it and install the new one easily. The door handle is undeniably technical and secure. It must be popular in the market.